Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about 3 important stocks that are recommended by Motley Fool. You can imagine the following. You drop $10,000 into the right stocks today, and by the end of 2025 that investment explodes to $90,000, fueled by skyrocketing revenues, monster cash flow, and AI-fueled innovation that's rewriting the market rules. This isn't just a dream, it's the cold, hard reality that analysts are calling out right now. I'm diving deep today into 3 of the hottest top picks from the past month: Globant, Arista Networks, and Shopify, now turbocharged with the latest Q3 2025 earnings bombshells. And here is the important fact: one of these 3 companies flashing a legendary 9x alert that could redefine your portfolio entirely. If you are serious about crushing 2025 gains, do me a favor, smash that like button right now, subscribe for more edge of your seat breakdowns, and hit the bell. Let's decode these numbers and unlock the explosion together. What is Motley Fool? They are the investing ninjas who have crushed the S&P 500 by over 500% since 2022. In the AI and the e-com boom, they have spotlighted Globant for cutting-edge AI smarts, Arista Networks for powerhouse data center muscle, and Shopify, their ultimate 9x portfolio obsession. These gems glow even brighter post Q3 2025 earnings, explosive revenue surges, and rock solid cash flow screaming profitability. No hype, just real edges. Let's count down from 3. So, for the number 3 from the list, we have Globant, the AI agent maestro turning corporate chaos into automated gold. They are not just coding, they are deploying smart agents for everything from chatbots to Disney digital worlds, partnering with Google heavyweights. Motley Fool's all in because AI is exploding and Globant riding the wave quietly. Trailing 12-month revenue close to $2.4 billion with $110 million net income. Profitable firepower in a fronty market. Shares dipped 3.6% to $57 amid volatility, but forward PE at 9.3 screams undervalued. The analysts are saying a target of $138. It's very good, with a 140% upside lock and loaded. Q3 earnings hit November 13. Bet on AI agents wins to spark the rally. This quiet giant could quietly 3x your stake by 2026. Speaking about the news, on September 30, Globant locked in a multi-year strategic collaboration agreement with AWS, their powerhouse partner since 2011. This turbocharges cloud migration, Gen AI adoption, and custom solution for media, gaming, travel, and autos. Analysts scream buy on this undervalued gem, prime from AI-fueled 3x gains as Q3 earnings loom. Another bombshell: just last week on October 1st, Globant board greenlight a $125 million share buyback, up to $50 million quarterly from Q4 2025 through 2026. This screams management conviction in AI dominance amid the dip. Undervalued? Absolutely. It's a classic value trap snapping shot, priming shares for a 140% analyst moonshot. Other important news for Globant is related to October 8 when they dropped the GAI 2.3, supercharging their enterprise AI with agentic commerce protocol integration, unleashing transactional AI agent from seamless commerce. This landed hours after OpenAI protocol reveal, cementing global frontrunner status. Despite the 3.6% dip, it's rocket fuel for Q3 earnings and that 100% upside. Also, the next day, on October 9, Globant teamed with Adobe and Red Sea Global to craft unforgettable AI-powered journeys on visitredsea.com, personalizing every step to lure tourists to Saudi Arabia looks hotspot. This fusion of Adobe AI smarts and Globant's execution, pure revenue rocket fuel. Amid the dip, it's a bullish nod to endless growth horizons. Speaking about the net income of Globant, a rocket from $25 million in 2015 to an incredible $200 million projected for 2025, increasing in a decade on AI tailwinds. Steady climbs through pandemics, now exploding. This profitability beast is your undervalued ticket to 3x returns. Global sales blasted from $500 million in 2015 to an incredible $3 billion by 2025. A 6x surge on AI innovation alone is just pure acceleration, and this stock is a pure cash machine. In terms of Globant targets, lowest is it at $69 for 20% pop, average at $101 for 75% upside, and high end at $181, a monstrous 215%. From today's dip, that's your AI-fueled moonshot map out through 2026. Analysts agree. Buy now, thank you, Motley Fool later. Now next, from AI agents to infrastructure inferno. Welcome to the stock number 2, hitting up the tracks. Arista Networks, ticker ANET, the silent speed demon wiring AI's backbone. While Nvidia steals the spotlight, Arista Ethernet switches turbocharge massive data centers for heavyweights like Meta and Microsoft, outspacing legacy giants like Cisco with cloud-native smarts and blistering speeds. Motley Fool crowns it the undisputed AI networking champ as demand explodes. Think trillions in data traffic begging for their edge. This one's primed to 5x your bets. Let's throttle into details. Speaking about the numbers, Arista Networks is a monster. $193 billion market cap, almost $8 billion trailing revenue, up massively on AI data center feast, with $3.25 billion net income fueling 41% margins. Shares dip just 2.6% to $154, but forward PE at 52 whispers growth galore. Analysts roar strong buy with 163 target, 6% instant pop, and Motley Fool AI champ eyeing 5x by 2027. Q3 earnings drop October 29. Let's take a look there. Arista free cash flow ignited from $50 million in 2014 to over $2 billion by 2025. 4x on AI infrastructure wins. This liquidity flood funds R&D blitzes and dividends ahead. Monthly full secret sauce for endless scaling. Talking about the Arista gross margins, Elite at 64.2%, crushing their 63% average and double the industry measly 33%. That's $5.1 billion in profit from $8 billion revenue, all thanks to premium AI switches. Arista's revenue from $500 million in 2014 to nearly $9 billion by 2025, 18x inferno on AI cloud. Bars don't lie, steady blast through volatility, now hyperscaling for hyperscalers. In terms of news, earnings express oncoming. Arista drops Q3 results November 4 after close. Fresh fuel for their AI networking blaze. Expect revenue roars from Meta and Microsoft deals. Motley Fools betting big on 50% on growth. Tune in post report for the aftershocks. This could ignite your 5x journey. Other analyst avalanche. Arista's nagging spotlight with earning crashes, AI data center dominoes, and ROS exploding. More bang per buck in tech wars. Consensus climbing fast. Arista's ABR, a screaming 1.14 near perfect between strong buy and buy for 24 firms. 18 strong buys just to hold 75% roaring approvals. Trends unwearing green wave for months. Zex confirmed that Arista Networks is a very good company. Now, speaking about the other important part, the forecast for Aristas. Speaking about the target, you can see here the lowest point is at 27% dip, but the average is up just 1% in this moment, and the high it's at 26% blast. Through 2026, Wall Street sees steady climbs on AI searches. So this company, it's a very good opportunity for me, for us, for everyone. So take a look. And now, the stock number 1, from Arista's wires to the ultimate empire builder. The Shopify, the e-com juggernaut, a Motley Fool's recommended 9 times since 2016, their very first 9x alert. From $30 shares to $80 shares rockets, it's forged empires for 2 million merchants worldwide with AI-powered tools transforming basic stores into sales machines. The fan fact, 10% of all US online retails pulses through its veins. The Q3 guidance, mid to high 20% revenue surge, stacking on Q3 beastly $2.68 billion whole, up 31% year over year, obtaining $2.54 billion estimate. Speaking about the Shopify stats, e-com it's a colossus. $196 billion market cap, $10 billion trailing revenue with $2.35 billion net income, flipping from profitable on AI tools. Shares dip 7.8% to $151, but year to date is already 42% roars. Analyst says buy at $143 target. Motley Fools at 9x saga just revving up. Cash flow story for Shopify, from red ink drains of minus $500 million in 2019 to over $2 billion geyser in 2025, increasing positive on AI merkind magic. Early burns built the empire. Now it's a profitable powerhouse. Motley Fool 9x blueprint in blue. Revenue, it's a revelation. Shopify is going from $200 million in 2015 to over $12 billion by 2025, a staggering 60x sprint on AI-powered merkind magic. Bars tells the truth. Pandemic pivot, global contest, and now AI acceleration. In terms of news, we have an AI Alliance alert. That means the Shopify Inc.'s blockbuster OpenAI deal, unleashing ChatGPT shopping for over 1 million users, supercharging sales via seamless product plugs. Shares leap 6% on the buzz, with CEO Luthi declaring AI a fundamental expectation. And this is very important for this company. Now, the growth gospel. Shopify is unstoppable. Revenues roaring over 20% yearly since 2022. Q2 blasting 31% to new highs, outspacing Q1. Gross merch volume $88 billion last quarter, signaling e-com contest. Investors are impressed by these results. And now a very important thing, the ecosystem edges. Shopify merchants in legal THC-free cannabis seeds, slammed by mainstream payments shutdowns until organic gateways step in, securing seamless code for smooth sales. Founder Alex Roy. Q4 is huge. Our system lets them grow without shutdown scares. This adaptability is very important for us. So, side-by-side showdown. Globant's grinding 4.5% revenue grind with an earnings explosion for AI agent stability. Arista's 30% growth rocket blasting 84% free cash flow margins in networking firepower. Shopify surging 31% on e-com dominance with 50% profit edges. All three deeply AI wired, screaming undervalued against peers, straight from Motley Fool's playbook. Why pounds now? Q3 earnings stream resilience through market chaos. Robust cash flows bankrolling the AI revolution ahead. Is this your portfolio gap? These three picks could plug in with 9x potential. Alright, so now we are at the final part, and this is the scoreboard for Q3. What an incredible run for these three top stocks, but the question is, which one is your number one pick? Did Globant, Arista or Shopify earn the top spot in your portfolio? Let us know. Smash that subscribe button and then comment your pick right now. And don't forget also, if you want more stocks, to take a look at my channel. For more winners and deep dives into the next quarter, keep watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.